Bluetooth not connecting after the iOS 26 update. Here's the fix. Fix 1. Reset network settings. First, open the settings. Scroll down and tap General. Scroll to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now, tap Reset. A pop-up will appear. Select Reset Network Settings. Again, tap on it. This will clear all Wi-Fi passwords, VPNs, and Bluetooth connections. It will restore to default settings. Don't worry, it won't delete your personal data. After resetting, and pair your Bluetooth device again. If not connecting, try next. Fix 2. Refresh Bluetooth connection. From the settings, click on Bluetooth. Turn off Bluetooth. Wait for 5 seconds, and turn it on again. Now check if the Bluetooth is connecting or not. If not, try. Fix 3. Check for software update. Open Settings app. Scroll and tap General. Then, click on Software Update. Make sure you have installed on the latest version. These mini updates can fix compatibility issues. Fix 4. Reset all settings. In the settings, scroll and tap General. Now, scroll to the bottom and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap Reset. A menu will appear. Select Reset all settings. A confirmation message will appear. Tap on it to confirm. After resetting, check Bluetooth again. It should be paired now. And that's it. Follow and subscribe for more videos.